So what do you do if you have an old school database of sorts, right? Let's say you've got a shoebox full of receipts from the art fairs you've been doing for the last 10 years, or you have an address book, or you have a stack of papers, or you have a Rolodex. You're old school. Nice work. I didn't even know those things existed anymore. Doesn't matter what you have or what format you have this potential data in. If you have a collection of data from, for whatever reason, we can upload, we can sort of digitize it, right? Take it out of the format that it's in, put it in this spreadsheet you see here, and we can send it up to Facebook to create an audience. Now, below the video that you're watching will be a link to this exact Google Sheet. And what you need to do is, it says view only, so you go File, make a copy. Go ahead and click OK, and you now own a copy of this sheet that you can use as a data template. Now, I want to go through some of the values that are in here and explain what they are. So we've got email, and you can see we've got 2 fields for email. So what Facebook does is it'll allow you to use multiple different email addresses. And so let's say you've got 2 email addresses for someone, or it's a husband and a wife, or whatever it is. You can put it in 2. If you just have 1 email, you can do 1. FN, first name. LN, last name. City, state. State is interchangeable for provinces if you're in Canada. Zip code, country, phone number. And then you can pretty much ignore these. We put them on the sheet to be thorough, but you can ignore them. DOB, who has that? DOB year, who has that? Gender, yeah, you could put those in, but it doesn't really matter. Age, likely not going to have that either. Messenger ID, LTV. I want you to just ignore those. You don't need them. Just leave them be. We can even just delete the values right out of them. But the rest of these are good to go. And the great news here is Facebook does not need the entire clip to create an audience and to be able to match this data with a person on Facebook. You can do this with just first name, last name, city. You can do it first name, last name, and phone number. You can do first name, last name, and state. You could do phone number and email. You can do just email. Any sort of combination might potentially work and might give Facebook enough. I mean, sadly, they know who everybody is. So your job is to take whatever format you have these contacts, you have this database in, and populate this sheet. Do it to the best of your ability. If you're missing values, don't worry. Just get the thing filled out, digitize those old records, and get this sheet filled out. Once you're done, you're going to go File, Download, and comma separated values here, CSV, comma separated values, and we're going to save that file, and then I'm going to get the audience creation process in place. Let me show you. Hold on. So now I'm in the Facebook's Ads Manager. I'm on the Audiences section. You can see Audiences, and I'm going to go ahead and it's going to reload for me. Thank you. I'm going to go ahead and go Create Audience, Custom Audience, and I'm going to choose Customer List. Now, when these options come up, we're going to use a file that does not include LTV. We'll deal with LTV in a later video. And I'm going to go ahead and it's going to ask me, yeah, prepare your customer data. Yes, great. Add your file. And so here we're going to check directly from customers. This is really important. Directly from customers. Always choose directly with customers. And then the next thing you do, we're going to upload the file. I've already saved it. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and put that up. And I'm going to name the audience. And so offline receipt database, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. Whatever it gives it a unique identifier to you. And I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And what it's done, because we had this neat organized spreadsheet with these values exactly like Facebook likes to see them, it knows already what they are. So email is ported to email, and this will happen automatically if you use my sheet. So use my sheet. First name, last name, city, state, zip code, country, phone number. If it's like this, it gives you an orange X because you don't have the data. Don't worry about that. Year of birth, gender, age, LTV, do not upload. Upload and create. That's it. If I click upload and create here, it's going to go ahead and start doing its thing, and it's going to go out and start using its systems to match this up to all of those people that you have in your offline database. Really powerful technique that most people don't talk about. We've got another warm audience that we can use. See you in the next video.